This video, I'm going to show you how to make these cute little animals appear to be asleep. Now, this is a method that I use. It doesn't always work, but we're going to test it live. So whatever results come out of this is what you're going to get. But the way I do it first is I'll take the image itself and I'm going to make a copy of it. So just do that just by pressing the Option key, holding down the Option key, grabbing that layer, and then just drag it down one. Now you have the copy, and then take that copy and you drag it. You just simply drag it up, and then just rename it, just so you can rename it to eyes closed, just so you can keep it organized. Okay, and then I'm gonna take this other one and I just hide it, just so I don't accidentally mess around with it and mess it up. And this one here is the one we're going to be working with, the top layer. So like I said, sometimes it works, sometimes this trick, well, most of the time this trick works. What you want to do now is go and grab your healing tool, which is right here. You want to grab that tool and you want to make sure that the top one is chosen. All right, we're going to start with the dog first. Sometimes that's the hardest one to do. And what I usually do, I'm going to adjust the healing level, and I do that by tapping on the brackets, on the top right side of the keyboard underneath the plus and minus key. If you're using an Apple, I'm going to adjust it, make it a little smaller. All right. What I want to do, I just want to take it and make an adjustment just on the top layer of his eye, just the very top layer from the top to the side. All right. All right. And then we're going to do the other one. Just from the top, just the top half of it. Now that one didn't come out right, so we'll undo that one. We'll try to go we'll go further up and see what happens. No, I don't like that. Let's go into this, make the adjust it just a little bit bigger, because this is where I can grab more of the top. If you can see the top of the circle, I can grab more of that. I think it's what it's doing is it's taking part of that. I'm not getting the results I want. So let me grab a little less and see. Okay. It seems like it's, let's see here if I can. All right, I was doing something else, so I was trying something. Let's start with the bottom on this side. Let's see what happens. Okay. Having some issues. Like I said, sometimes it works, sometimes it don't. So let's go back to this to the right eye and see if we can get up to close it. Okay. Let me go and grab a lot more eyes. All right. See, now he looks asleep. Like that eye is asleep. All right. I'm gonna grab this other one here, just to most of it there. There we go. He's almost asleep. And then grab the top. Leave a little bit in the center. Okay. It looks pretty decent. I like it, but I don't love it. But what we'll do, we'll try to close it a little bit more. Okay. That's fairly good. What you can also do is grab your clone tool here. You can grab this one, grab this clone tool. And what you do, you can take it, and you want to clone this here. You can just take it and like you click on the clone here, and then you just add it here, and just add it like that, and then close it just like that. So that looks pretty good. All right, now let's work on this cat here. We're gonna go back to the healing tool, and we're gonna try to close his eyes. So grab the top layer, boom, and then the bottom, boom. He's asleep. Grab the top of that one, boom, bottom, boom. He's a little sleepy. Let's go ahead and play around with it a little bit. Okay. All right. It's like that eye is still open. So what we'll do the same thing we did for the other one. We'll clone it. So I'm going to take that clone stamp tool here. I'm going to roll over it, and I'm pressing the Option key to get it to change over, so I can tell it what to clone. So I'm going to tell it to clone from this area right here, on the left side of his, well, really his right, but the right side of his ear, I mean his eyes. Click on that, and now I can go ahead and click it here, and then just start like I'm painting, and it closes his eyes just like that. Now, two cute little animals sleeping. And there you go. If this helps, if it's something that you guys can use, please hit the like button. Keep the algorithm up with YouTube, so that I can be pretty much motivated to make more videos like this. Because I have a lot of little tips and tricks that I use. Photoshop. I've been with Photoshop for quite some time, and know a lot of ins and outs that a lot of people don't. Maybe not, may not know, because I've been with Photoshop for so long. Okay, so I'll talk to you soon. If you want watch other videos, they're here and here and here. So check them out. Bye for now.